Hey, creators. Ever feel like you're just one amazing design away from going viral, but you don't have the time or the budget for a professional designer? What if I told you that you could design like a pro, right now, for absolutely free? Today, I'm sharing the secret weapon used by millions. Canva, and yes, you can get full access to this incredible design tool without spending a single dime. With Canva, you can create stunning YouTube thumbnails, catching social media posts, professional presentations, and so much more. Best part, it's all drag and drop simple. No design experience needed. You get thousands of free templates, a massive library of stock photos, and countless fonts to make your vision a reality. You can use it on your computer or even on your phone, so your creativity never has to stop. Stop struggling and start creating. Join the millions of creators already making amazing content with Canva. Click the link in the description to get started for free today. Seriously, go click that link and let's bring your ideas to life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.